good afternoon, good evening. This is Alan Burgos from the hashtag Walk Blood channel. Welcome and welcome back to our channel. So let's us just honor our subscribers. They are now 5,575. Let us see, 5,615 pala. 5,615. No. Thank you so much for all of our subscribers. And all of our subscribers are located around the world in each continent that we have. We have subscribers there on that particular area. Okay, so friends, if you are not yet subscribed to our channel, please do so now so that we can be able to maintain and sustain this channel. All right, so today guys, meron tayong nabasa, no? Meron tayong nabasa article with regards uh, initiative, no? People's Initiative for Charter Change. Kaya titulo natin dito ay papayag ka ba sa People's Initiative? Okay? Mga politiko di dapat kasali sabi ayon kay Senator Robin Hood Padilla. Okay. So ito guys, no, parang ano natin, no? So, sabi ni Robin Padilla, no, yung People's Initiative lang for Charter Change should genuinely represent the voice of the people. Ito guys, yung parang initiative. Hindi ito nanggagaling sa mga politiko, hindi ito nanggagaling to sa mga leader. No? Parang out of the blue, merong initiative ang mga tao, no, para palitan ang konstitusyon, pero out of those people, nagkakaroon ng isang leader. Yung leader na yun, hindi politiko or somehow. Pero naniniwala ba kayo na mangyayari yun? Okay? So yung statement ni Senator Robin Hood Padilla, no, today lang, no, sabi niya, kino-caution niya, no, against those politicians twisting the will of the people to propel their ambitions. At ano ba yung ambitions nila? Siyempre, sila, or may extend yung term nila, etc. No? So sabi niya, taong bayan lamang ang makakapagdala, no, ng tunay na pagbabago sa sistema tungo sa ikaunlad ng bayan. No? Sabi ni Senator Robin Padilla. No? So by the way, no, si Senator Padilla ay isang chairperson ng Senate Committee on Constitutional Amendments. Siguro isa ito sa mga unang senador na naging chairperson ng constitutional amendments na hindi abogado. Okay? Na abogado. By the way, no? By the way, ano pala, no? Parang question ng isang representative, isang congressman, no, from Albay, si Edsel Lagman, no, na parang ano, no, parang ina-allege niya na may mga politicians or government officials that were offering 100 pesos each of their constituents to sign the petition for charter change. Pipirma, 100 pesos. Diyos ko, mura no? So 100 pesos. Siguro baka hindi pa naiintindihan kung ano yung pinipirmahan nila. Basta, ito, 100 pesos, pirma. Okay? According naman sa isang akbayan, no? So parang left-leaning organization, yung Kabataan Party List, na si Congressman Raul Manuel, bata pa to, no? Pero ba't naging congressman ito? Pero because of the party list, no? Sabi niya, allegedly, no, yung AICS ay ginagamit at saka yung tupad. No? Ito yung mga programa na pang mahihirap ng gobyerno, no? Parang ginagamit ito para to push for the people's initiative. Sabi naman ni Padilla, no, he is appealing, no, that the people's initiative must be free from politics. Pero parang imposible. Because of that particular exercise is politics itself. No? Sabi niya, wag gawing issue ng politiko at ambisyon ng nag-iisang kapangyarihan ng taong bayan. Yes, this is one of the tools, no, or mechanism in order for us to change the Constitution. Pero paano yun? Paano ba yun, no? Okay? Oh, he said the focus must be resolving whether the Senate and the House should vote separately or jointly. No, ayun nga ang problema, no? Kasi kung jointly yan, mananalo ang House of Representatives na hindi naman dapat, no? Merong purpose talaga yung Senate at may purpose din yung House of Representatives. Biruin mo, no? 224 lang yung mga senators, no? Boboto sila against the congressmen and women. O, paano yun? Di talo sila agad, di ba? Okay? Ito, mga panahon para maresolba ang naiiwang tanong sa ating saligang batas tungkol sa pag-amyenda o revisyon ng ating konstitusyon. No, sabi ni Padilla, tanging ang taong bayan na lamang ang maaaring magdesisyon. Siyempre, of course, with the help of the Supreme. Okay, so that's it for tonight or today. Thank you so much for all of our supporters, of our viewers, of our subscribers. And if you are viewing all of these videos, my friend, please do subscribe to our channel. Kasi nagpaparami po tayo ng ating mga subscribers. Hindi na po ako mahihiya sa inyo. Okay? We are now 5,650. Ang target po natin ay 100,000 subscribers. Sana naman po, no, masuportahan niyo po ang inyong abang lingkod, no, para sa ating goal na ito. Maraming salamat po sa inyo, guys. Thank you very much and God bless you all.